So what a location this is today. And this is a plaza in Seville, which has got the most amazing architecture I've seen. It's absolutely stunning, as you can probably see. I was actually here early in the week, and all the band are really talented. Really, you can tell they've been doing it for a long time. So it's yeah, been good to kind of listen to those guys for a few hours here earlier on in the week. I've come back for a second visit because we've been doing a bit of work here, and it is absolutely gorgeous, especially on a bright blue summer's day today. I mean, just look at the architecture here. It's incredible. Yeah, too good not to film, really. Obviously a little bit different to what I normally film. I'm very much city based, but wow, what a place. Awesome. Yeah, unlike the usual mountains and outdoor kind of scenes that I'm used to, but well worth coming. Gorgeous. So this is not the usual photography I tend to go for, but with the harsh light inside the building, it made perfect sense to use the light and create some silhouette images, which I thought turned out quite well actually. It's very kind of royal and grand here with the horses. It does feel slightly like home in the sense of London, really. It's quite does have that royal feel based on that as well. But yeah, it's cool. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to put this video together, but I thought I'd capture this anyway and maybe show you a bit of Seville from locations that I've kind of been wandering around this week. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed that, and I'm sure I'll get back to the usual UK videos pretty soon. So anyway, I'll head back and catch up with you soon.